Good morning. This is Mornings with Michael. This is Thursday, March 16th. Hope everybody's week is going according to plans. Um, Write your plan and then work your plan is the way it should go. Not always the way it works in the markets. That's why we continually suggest maybe an annuity would be the best way to go for a number of people. Let me share my screen here. The oil sector, I was looking at the range. Resources dropped below its 20-day moving average. Take a look at USO. The oil sector has been in constant retreat. Continues to retreat a little bit more today. We'll see where the bottom is. Got the stochastics up here, kind of tracking where the bottom. See when this black line crosses a blue line. Typically when it picks up, you can see the black line is starting to curve, so we'll continue watching that. When the natural gas continues to decline, it's kind of holding in there. It's actually up 22 cents today. We'll continue to watch that. Dollar was pulling back earlier. Yeah, it's off 1 cent marginally. It's still hanging in at its 20-day moving average. The yields were dropping again. Yeah, they're off 39 cents, off 1.12. It's interesting that when yields were rising, it was affecting the high-tech stocks. Now they're actually hoping that the yields would rise because showing a stronger economy. This is showing more in the area of like a hard landing, that they're predicting that the rates are going to have to be put on hold. Look at the 20-year. 20-year is pulling back, continues to pull back as well. Take a look at the 1 to 3 year. Even the 1 to 3 year, this is a treasury bond, not the yield. So the prices are pulling back, so looks like rates are going up. Look at Ethereum and the cryptocurrencies, up 16 cents. Bitcoin continues to go up. It's up another 4% today. I think for the week, it's up over 30%. Look at gold. Gold has made quite a move off of the bottom here. Heard mentioned of that gold may hit 2,000. Look at silver. Silver is pulling back here a little bit today. Physical silver was at 749 yesterday at one point. Now it's 739. We'll just see if it can hold around the 20-day moving average here. Also in the news, FRC continues to sell off another 25% off today, another $8.09. Trying to find a buyer for the bank. Another company that issued positive news. So this is in the biotechs, UiPath had strong revenues. It's up between 17 and 18%. Snap is in the news. A TikTok ban would benefit Snap, so they're up slightly, almost 6%. Take a look what else is trending this morning. Terra is up here close to 10%. Fresh Pet had sold off yesterday. It's up 5%. EverCommerce is popping up 16% today on their earnings. See, what did their earnings come in at? Their earnings were negative, but I guess it was better than what was anticipated. And Western Alliance Bancorp continues to trend. Well, I guess it's off a little bit, 2%. So it's trading in a little tighter range than it had been. So we'll just see what happens with them. Credit Suisse seems like they got support from Switzerland, who is putting in a bunch of money to thwart their failure. PagerDuty is up 17% on a 300% earnings increase. And look at one more. Academy Sports is up about 9%. So that's the winners. And take a look at the losers. Exponent is down. Guess I got to close my window here. Is down about 7 to 8%. We took a look at First Republic Bank. Northwest Pipe Company is down about 16% on their earnings. Were disappointing. They had a 27% earnings increase. I guess either that or the phone call with looking forward wasn't what people were looking for. Titan Machinery, which in the infrastructure area had been trending very positively, is down over 19%. At one point, they were down 20%. Their low for the day was $29.50. Halozyme Therapeutics, which had been leader in biotech, is down quite a bit here. So let's go around the horn here, see what metals and mining continues below its 200-day moving average. Usually nothing good happens at that area. Energy continues down, is trying to hold close to the low of yesterday. Utilities are continue moving up. Financials, they're trying to hold here on the bottom, so we'll see if they're able to do that. Industrials holding in, and real estate, we'll just see if they've hit bottom. Builders, they're up today. Consumer discretionary is holding up, and YYT is getting a little bit of a bounce. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has got quite a bounce here. We'll see See if they can maintain that. The Nasdaq's been the strongest market. It's been holding up when all these other indexes have been going down. It looks like small caps have got a bounce off the bottom here. And got a bounce in the S&P 500, bounced up to its 200-day moving average, which has proved to be resistance over time. Dow Jones. And then we're going to close with looking at the VIX. The VIX pulling back here. I don't think the trend is over for the VIX, so that means that the S&P 500 we're looking pull back even further. We'll just see what the next leg to drop to cause this would be. Take a look at a weekly average. Weekly, this is spiked up quite a bit. You can see it trended up here, pulled back, trended and pulled back, and then really took off in March 2020. We've had a number of spikes here and pullback and spikes, so we'll just continue to watch this. There's one market bear that was suggesting that we're going to go down to the 2009 lows. That would be an extreme pullback. I've heard a lot of people talked about the March 2020 lows. So we'll just continue to watch this. In the meantime, everybody go out there, continue working your activities for meeting your goals. If you have any personal finance questions, we're here to support you. Number is 415-828-7997. In the meantime, have a successful Thursday and finish out the week strong.